up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I'm not using my external mic that I use on my pistol grip. I'm actually using my phone mic, so it might sound a little bit different than my last couple episodes. And it is that time yet again. We have another mail call. This is from Simpleman Mustang Diecast. He actually just sent Pete over at Old Man Diecast some beautiful castings, Camaros, and a 93 Camaros that I love collecting as well. So I cannot wait to see what he threw in the box. So Steve, thank you so much for whatever's in here, but let's jump straight to it and let's open this up. All right, guys, looks like we have a pretty good sized letter. Let's see what this says. Jason, here are a few extras that I had. I wanted to pass them along to add to your collection. Hopefully some that you don't already have. Plus a contender for the track. Nice. Oh, that's so awesome. Take care and God bless you for your service. Steve, Simpleman Mustang Diecast. Thank you so much. Even if you sent stuff that I have already, it is just awesome for me to have the chance to either open it or do a custom. It just gives me those options. So let's jump straight to it, guys. Ooh, I already see some stuff I do not have. Here we go. Acme Trading Company. It is the Caffeine and Octane Speed and Style. Look at this, man. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. 66 Shelby GT350 out of Greenlight, guys. Look at that. Series release number 1. Beautiful yellow. Oh man, that is nice. Loving the black stripes. You can see the air filter right through the front scoop, so it is functional. I definitely do like that. So black interior, definitely loving the Krager style wheels in chrome. Look at the detail. I have never seen this one. Now, I don't come across Greenlights too often. I just picked up the Creed 2 67 Coupe from the last upload. And yeah, it's really the only ones I come across. But here we go, guys. A beautiful one to add to the collection. That is super sweet, and it's perfect because I'm going to put the Creed 2 car here and I have space to put these beautiful premiums. Look at that. And oh, look, check it out, guys, the T5. Now, if you guys don't know, the T5 is the overseas version of the Mustang, and it's a Greenlight collectible. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy around. Oh man. Oh, that is super sick looking. The 79 Cobra T5. Check that out, guys. Beautiful blue. Of course, you do have the T5 badge right above the 5.0. And it's a Cobra, man. That is super cool. Limited edition. Check that out. Man, it's a Hobby Lobby exclusive. Oh, dude. Even freaking cooler that it's a T5, the only and first one in the collection. Check it out. The name Mustang has been copyrighted by German manufacturer of large general purpose trucks in the early 1950s. Due to this copyright, Ford had to sell their Mustang in Germany under a different name. In the early 60s, the project name for the Mustang was T5. Instead of buying the name, they simply changed it to its early designation. Ford T5s were one of the most popular American cars with German nationals. Although the exact numbers are not known, many were sold directly to Germans and remained in Germany. Dude, that is super cool, man. That is super cool. Ford T5 Cobra Mustang. Gosh, I have never seen this one before. Thank you so much. Oh, that is beautiful, man. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Another Greenlight. An Auto Daredevils Tournament of Thrills 65 Fastback. Look at this, man. Dude, love that eggshell white. It's very creamy, but look at that. Tournament of Thrills. Beautiful details, of course. The black stripe with the 56 meatball on the hood. And that is gorgeous. Another Hobby Lobby exclusive. Dude, man. Look at that. These were all the events for that. God, that's a beautiful 65. Man, that is awesome. That is awesome, man. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at this 2021 Mach 1 VIN number 1. Dude, oh, that is freaking awesome. Wow, man. Barrett Jackson, of course. I had just recently picked up the Barrett Jackson Shelby from the Colorado Diecast when we stopped off over there. Now, the only 2021 Mach 1 I have is the other Greenlight in white, but man, and it sold for $500,000 in Scottsdale. Crazy. Look at that, 2 Scottsdale, Arizona Barrett Jackson cars for the collection. And this is such a beautiful Mach 1. Look at the details of this one. Gosh, man. Loving how meaty those tires are. That is one beautiful Mach 1 right there. And it's crazy because 2022's Mach 1s are going to be, I think it's 10 or maybe a little bit more horsepower less because of emissions restrictions. So the 2021 Mach 1's actually going to have a little bit more horsepower than the 2022. This is awesome, man. And it doesn't end there. Here we go. We got a shorty slingshot, the Polaris from Matchbox. Oh man, we are going to be opening up some different categories for the track. And I think this would be a really cool one to see. I don't know, who wants to see the 3-wheel slingshot on the track? I think that'd be an awesome one. All right, here we go. Next up, ooh, there we go. This is for the track layout. We've got the Paramedics. Nice, man. So you guys know we do have the emergency response. It's basically all fire and some emergency, but we actually don't have any paramedics. So every racetrack needs a paramedic. So we're gonna open this up and put it on the track. Let's go ahead and do this right now. There we go. Look at that, man. That is super cool. That is a huge paramedic, but it is definitely necessary because you see how many times those drivers go flipping and wrecking all the time. Definitely need some paramedics out there. Throw that down there. All right, here we go. Next up, ooh, check that out. We got the shorty of the Tesla Roadster in that satin maroon. That is nice. I had one of these, not as a shorty, but on a standard card, and I do not know where I put it. But here we go. We might have another vehicle for the track. Oh man, that is super cool. These shorties are pretty awesome. All right, here we go. Next one is another layout vehicle. Check it out, the MBX Fire Dasher, Unit 12. Nice. Oh, we are having all kinds of vehicle responses. All right, here we go. Look at the details of this thing. God, Matchbox really does a phenomenal job with detailing a lot of their castings. Nice. Here we go. Contender for the track. Which one is it? Oh, the alien car. Check that out. Boom. Got the red alien on a faded blue card, collector number 62. Man, this thing is heavy. We have seen this on the track before in white. It did fairly well. This one's actually in much better condition than the white one that raced. I mean, this is straight out of the blister, so this is going to be super fresh. Beautiful silver metallic with a red panel body, smoke tinted canopy. There we go. Track contender. Oh, let's go ahead and open this up. Oh yeah, look at that. That was hanging on there. Look at that. It looks like the canopy comes off. Man, this thing is heavy, and it's right-hand drive. Never noticed it was right-hand drive. Oh man, this is going to be a good one. Let's go ahead and throw this in the lineup. So we got some drivers already lined up for the track. Also the Porsche 935. We'll release who's driving that one soon. Here we go next. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at this. Oh man. I have never seen a 2-pack like this. Look at that Race Team Series bonus car. Which one's the bonus? I want to say it's the top one. Oh man. You got the number 2 Hot Wheels 500 Indy car. Beautiful blue metallic. Check out that Hot Wheels Race Team livery. You got the basic black walls on there, and then right here, number 3 side splitter. Oh, that is freaking cool. Man, look at that beautiful blue metallic. Now, of course, this is the same casting that a lot of people confuse with the one that's worth all kinds of crazy money. But that one has to be on the number 271 card, which you're never going to find. If you do, wow. But that is such an awesome casting. Love the opening body, of course. But the Race Team Series 2-pack? Oh, man. Steve, you did not have to hook me up with such greatness. Oh, man. What is this? Oh, there we go. Nice. This one's actually on a card. Check that out, guys. The 1988 Fox Body Notchback. Now, I do have this, but mine is actually in the square box. Check that out. We have one on card and one in the box. That means I'm opening the one that I have in the box. So nice. Let's go ahead and put that back up there. This, I'm stoked because I can actually hang this and display it with all of my other stuff. So that is so awesome. Here we go, guys. Check it out. Steve, thank you so much for this, man. These castings are, oh man, they are awesome. The Greenlight exclusives, the Hobby Lobby ones. Got my first T5 in the collection, the 79 Cobra. Beautiful. You got the 66 Shelby GT350 in this beautiful yellow, 65 Fastback, and of course the VIN 001 of the Mach 1 sold at Barrett Jackson. Wow, man. And this 2-pack. This 2-pack is, oh, you guys already know Hot Wheels Race Team liveries are my favorite. I mean, my car is wrapped in it. It's just, yeah, one of those epic liveries. And then of course, to finish it off, the Notchback 88 Fox Body. But not only that, guys, he sent over a contender. We have the red alien car, which we will be seeing soon on the track. We have End Count in the Evo 10. We have Adam in the Lightning. We have Hunter in the Dino car. Now we're gonna have Simpleman Mustang Diecast in the Alien. And this one, just stay tuned to see who's gonna be driving that one. I think it's gonna be super cool. But he also sent the Paramedic and the fire truck, which is super cool to support all the races and craziness that happens on Horsepower Speedway, and especially the Ridge. The Ridge is what makes everyone drive insanely crazy, wreck, flip, whatever it is. So we definitely need the emergency services for all that good stuff. But thank you so much for sending this. I cannot thank you enough. I know you said you don't want anything in return, but if you're looking for anything, please reach out and let me know. That is all we have for today's episode, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.